Here we'll be going over the Null GameObject check node. Now this is a leaf node that checks if a GameObject reference has its value set to null, and if it is, then it'll return true. So in this example tree here, we have a repeat node and a sequence node, so this will basically repeat, and if the GameObject is null, it'll go into this next branch and print object destroyed. If this object is not null, it'll never print, and that's kind of how we can test its functionality. Now, the GameObject reference is this Blackboard variable, which is a reference to the example AI data script attached to the AI that has this tree, and it basically is checking a variable on there that in that script is set to the object tagged player. So in this scene, this is the transform, or the game object that it'll be tracking is this sphere that represents the player, and then the cube is the AI. So if we start this scene and go into console, you can see nothing's printing because this player is still here, but if we delete it, it'll print object destroyed because now it's returning null. And that is how the null game object check function, or node, works.